Hello. Welcome back to the Emergency Response Simulator. The score is 73 on Metacritic. It's 112 operator. We now have 70 units on the map. It's just a wealth of riches. I even added a horse unit because why not? I'm just drunk with my responsibility and power. I added somewhere, I think it's here, an undercover car. I will find it. We're getting ready to start duty 31. Some a little bit of wonky weather, which might affect some stuff. I added a big four-seater police ambulance just for all them food poisoning incidents. We're set. We're stoked. We're getting near the end. Here we go.
Going out on patrol.
Drugs overdose. Clover Lang.
On my way.
Take that, buddy.
Thank you, sir.
Vehicle theft.
Reporting.
Bulldozer is in the area. Alright.
Receiving.
Here.
Operator.
Ah, food poisoning.
Receiving. Going to the incident.
Reporting.
That's exactly why I got this guy. I know what's up. Speeding.
Awaiting
We'll
orders.
send the winos.
Starting chase. We are unable to move.
Ticket inspector assaulted.
Awaiting orders.
Send the chain smokers,
Reporting.
the flatliners, burning building.
Ready for action.
We'll send the lightning bug and we'll send T-spout, just in case. Unconscious person, shithawk. That's you. Car collision,
Operator.
pork pie. Car in the water.
Waiting further orders.
Going there.
Send the rovers on up.
Returning to base.
Armed assault.
Receiving. Going there.
Reporting.
You know what? No wait.
For action.
Alt right click. Alt right click. Yeah, we're learning. What's this? Parking violation. I thought I had all motorcycles are down.
Reporting.
We'll have to send
Requesting immediate transport.
Smoke Kipper in. Okay.
Ready for action. 10-4.
Sinking vehicle.
Receiving.
Respond with all due alacrity. Something else just popped up over there.
Returning to base.
Epileptic seizure. We hate poodles.
10-4.
What's this? Store looting.
Ready for action.
No, we'll send the super troopers.
Going to the incident. Medical transport needed.
We got more shit down here.
Ready for next chase.
Come
Awaiting
down.
orders. Roger.
Come down.
Awaiting orders.
Come down.
Reporting.
Sir, there was a crash involving a cistern.
What? Crash involving a cistern. What the hell's a cistern? A water jug?
Sir, hello?
Where is it exactly?
Near
How did that happen? How did that happen?
How did that happen?
The cistern drove into a passenger car.
What the hell's a cistern? Cistern holds water, right? How does a cistern drive into a car?
Is there a leak?
There's no leak.
How many injured are there?
Only the driver is injured.
All right, I'll take it from here.
Yes, sir.
Ready for next chase.
6 out of 1.
No idea what this lady is on about. How does a cistern hit a car? Please go look and report back.
Alright, any units went.
Reporting.
Well, the ghoulies are right there, right? So, boom, they're there. A burning building. So I'm seeing a lot of drugs overdoses today, and a lot of.
Station 1 leads you to go to
What are you doing down here?
awaiting orders. Going there.
6 out of 1.
Drug smuggling.
Reporting.
Where my?
Operator.
There, the secret spies. Look at them. They're in an undercover car. I got them maxed out with gear. So we're gonna alt right click.
Starting chase.
Awaiting
We'll
orders.
send the winos in.
We'll get them.
That should be enough to scare the poop out of them. All right. What's this?
Ready for next chase.
Lost dog.
Receiving.
TV's Frank's gonna be mad when I send him there, but we're gonna do it anyway.
Injured on board. Roger.
Car collision. We'll send pork pie down. Red light offense, we'll send the stompers. Car in the water. Damn, I just sent this guy the whole way up there. How close is this guy to being done? Not close.
Roger.
Speeding?
Roger.
Where's my chase car? Where's my chase car? I thought I put it down here somewhere. There it is.
Receiving.
The elite.
Starting chase.
Yeah. And a damaged fire hydrant.
Receiving.
You got tech tools.
Ready for action.
You got better tech tools.
Going to the incident.
Okay.
We'll get them.
Car accident.
Awaiting orders.
We just send the
On my way.
rednecks up.
Requesting immediate transport to the hospital.
You need more medics?
Going
Okay.
to the incident.
Roger.
Police officer under attack.
Unconscious
Awaiting
person.
orders. Going there.
Awaiting further orders.
Receiving.
Roger. 10-4.
That's why I keep units down here now.
Alright, I need
Drug smuggling.
1 West 182, 1 West 182.
Where are you going?
Suspects awaiting
We'll
transport.
get them.
Ready for next case.
What's this? Speeding?
Awaiting orders.
We'll send the smackers, I guess.
Roger.
Suspects
Red light offense?
requesting transport.
Alright, shit's getting a little out of hand here.
In pursuit.
Standing by. On my way.
Ready.
Where are you going? No, you come over
In
here.
pursuit.
Going there.
No, you come here.
Awaiting transport.
My partner and I already took care of
And then you
Ready for action.
you come
Standing by.
there.
Receiving. Case resolved.
No, just go there.
Fire engine needed.
Fire alarm.
Operator,
We'll send Tony Danza.
Standing down.
Going there.
Hit and run search. Where's my drone? Hit and run victim. You know what? We'll send the Yabos.
Going there.
Reporting.
We'll send pork pie in here to help as well.
Receiving.
partner and I already took care of that.
Drug smuggling. Man. Alright, let's do alt right click.
Starting chase.
Alt right click. We're getting better at making sure our officers have protections, especially because this is just like a little blow up boat here. But
Operator.
Big Trouble, they're kind of armed for bear. So carbon monoxide poisoning. Das
On my
fixers.
way.
We're probably gonna need to transport. Does it say how many are injured? Few injured. Okay, we can't send Shithawk.
Awaiting orders.
We'll have to send the Schnapps gang up.
Roger.
A little bit busy tonight. A little bit busy. Nothing we can't handle. Bicycle theft.
Ready for action.
Operator.
We'll send in the rednecks for that. Keep going.
Fire engine needed.
Case resolved.
Wait, who's asking for a fire unit? Oh yeah, they're coming. Don't worry about it.
Roger.
Red light offense. That's perfect for
Starting chase.
my motorcycles.
6 Adam 1.
Vehicle theft.
We have an aggressive individual here.
Awaiting further orders. Case resolved.
This is on the water.
Receiving.
You're gonna have to
Requesting medical assistance. Awaiting orders.
handle that yourself. I'll send you Tony Danza once they get clear.
Ready for the next case.
What's this?
Standing by.
Shoplifting?
Orders.
Man, what's going on?
Operator.
Come here.
Ready for next case.
Come here.
Roger.
Come here.
Operator.
Speeding, you just gotta take that.
You know, we are en route also.
Loud party, we can send the Blue Devils.
On my way.
0 Nottingham.
Case resolved.
Car collision, we can send you. We're gonna need to arrest somebody.
Case resolved.
So, how about you come up here and be useful? Another one?
Reporting. 10-4.
Receiving. 10-4. Intervention necessary. Aggressive behavior. Medical transport needed.
On my way.
Ready for next case.
You know, we are en route also.
Okay.
We have a 10
Ready for action.
0 Nottingham.
Receiving. Starting chase.
We'll send Tony Danza down in support because I don't have anybody else to support that unit. What's this drug smuggling one here? Balls.
Operator?
The drugs in the city are getting out of control. Possibly armed. Okay. Should we send the road apples up after them? They're never going to get there.
Ready
All right,
for
let's
action.
send the stompers,
In pursuit. Ready
and we'll
for
also
action.
send Razor.
We'll get them.
Tell me, Drowning Man. Where's Shithawk?
Receiving.
Take flight, Shithawk. Fly proud, fly true. Hornet's Nest.
Receiving.
That's 100% T-Spout. No, but no one likes this guy. Nobody. Not even me. And I'm like his boss.
10-4.
Returning to base.
Police transport needed?
Reporting.
Okay.
Returning to base.
Illegal racing. We'll send bike pants.
We'll get them.
Yes, ma'am. One
Standing
to let you know
by.
we are en route.
We're
Also,
done here.
You have a 10-830 Nottingham.
Cat in a tree.
Awaiting orders.
Tex can go take care of that.
Starting chase. 10-4.
Okay.
The entire thing and possibly suspect information.
By a few. You know what? You take care of it. You can make 2 trips. I think there's a hospital right here, so you can. Someone's got to go first. Someone's gonna have to wait.
6 out of 1.
Reporting.
Smackers.
10-4.
No. Yeah.
Awaiting orders.
Boom boom. You're gonna have to come down here.
Did multiple tickets will get
Fire alarm.
Reporting.
St. Nick's are right there.
On my way.
Injured on board.
Adam 1035 Mary.
Carbon monoxide poisoning. Who's
Ready for
closer?
action.
That's a straight shot.
Operator. Roger.
That's a better shot.
Ready for action.
Large medical job. The Putzers have heavy equipment.
Can I advise AMR and first responder? They can go clear.
Checking. Okay.
Ready for next case.
Well done.
On my way.
Well then, how about you hop on this?
Police officer under
Going
attack.
back to base.
Standing by. Starting chase.
Mad driver.
Operator.
Standing by.
Wait, is everything?
Entire thing and possibly suspect information.
Operator. On my way.
Operator. 10-4.
No.
On my way.
Go to that one. I don't like it when they're on top of each other like that. Diabetic shock. Do I have any of my Where are you going?
10-4.
You're taking care of this. Oh, there's 2, so you're not going to be able to do it.
Operator.
So we'll send down the bed bugs
Going to the
to
end.
help you out.
431.
And then diabetic shock.
Ready for action.
Clubber Lang's
Going to
there.
the incident.
21.
6 out of 1.
Speeding.
Waiting order.
Pork pie.
Further order.
Going back to base. Requesting immediate transport to the hospital.
I thought one popped up. Did I miss it?
Resolved.
Clear. 23.
Standing down.
10-4.
On my way.
Roger.
Sir, we can't do it.
Oh, that's
Reporting. We'll get them.
pickpocket. You're going to need support on that one.
In pursuit. On my way.
Where's TV's Frank? You know what? We got a lot of people here. Let's just go ahead and send
We'll get them.
you up to there as well.
Operator.
Hopefully the Blue Devils will get that handled until you get there.
Not a deal. Mecca 1.
Street gang fight. Okay, that's taken care of.
Receiving.
So let's send Bike Pants,
Roger. Awaiting orders.
the Winos
Roger.
to arrive together.
Receiving.
We'll send the Yabos down as well. We okay? No, one more.
Reporting.
Jellyfish.
We'll get them.
Dangerous boating, please go issue tickets. You just got one guy.
Awaiting orders. Going there.
You go there.
Operator?
You guys. Oh, control. Haha.
Going there.
You guys come back up here. Alright. You know what? I'm going to move you guys up just a little more central
Ready for action. On my
so you can
way.
respond either direction quickly.
Returning to base.
Ah.
Roger, transport.
Speeding.
Ready for action.
Chain smokers are right there.
Going back to base.
Ready for
Cyclist hit by a car. Crumb car dry is there. Where's Tony Danza? Or where's TV's Frank? What's he doing?
Adam 1.
Yes, ma'am. Wanted to let you know we are en route. Also, you have a 10830 Nottingham.
Okay, he's gonna have to wait. Who do I got to send here?
Johnson, they're all 30.
Awaiting orders.
Dippy eggs, shift,
64, Duncan, I'll be en route.
right click. Boy,
Can I advise
police coverage up here is getting a little light.
go clear?
Okay, we'll just deal with it. It's almost the end of the shift.
Going there. Awaiting orders.
We'll be able to redirect more units.
On my way. Roger.
Sorry, 1918.
Going back to base.
Yep, you got tools.
4.
I think most of my firefighter units have technical tools by now.
10-4.
Transport
Police
needed.
officer under attack. Awaiting orders.
Starting chase.
Roger.
Where are we under attack?
Roger.
Help out there.
Police assistance ending fire.
I think we took. Oh man, we bum rushed
Waiting
them.
for the next case.
Going to
Suspect
the
being
hospital.
transported.
Police transportation.
Need an ambulance here.
Operator.
Going there. Standing down. On my way.
1431.
Yeah, you got police transport coming. Ah, nuts. Okay,
Awaiting
go.
orders.
Was I sending him somewhere? No.
On my
Go.
way.
Reporting.
Go.
Roger.
10-5 unit K.
Okay.
Standing by.
Police transport needed.
Operator. Going there.
Send the secret spies.
Roger.
Firearms up.
Case resolved. Going there.
Susanna, that's en route.
Awaiting further
Police transport needed.
Police
We'll
transport.
send Razor.
Guns awaiting transport. Going there.
Where are you
Ready
going?
for the next case.
Going there.
11.
Starting chase.
Going there.
We're done here.
Going to the incident.
1-8 towards road.
On my way.
Reporting.
Returning to base.
On my way.
In pursuit. Operator.
I think.
Going to the
Suspects awaiting
hospital.
transport.
Can you hurry up, rednecks? Holy shit! I thought those pickup trucks were fast. I think that.
Hospital.
Whoops.
Awaiting orders. We'll get them.
Going there.
We'll send the road apples.
Starting chase. We're done here. Going there.
In pursuit.
Going back to base.
Look at him go, man.
On my way.
1-8 towards
10-4.
10-4. Ready for action.
TV's Frank, you want to help with this, please? Let's get out of here. Let's go grab a beer.
Awaiting further
Zwei
orders.
große Bier. Dunkel beer.
Roger.
What's going on here?
We're getting a
Receiving.
Help out there. Oh, we got. Yeah, you need transport.
14 County 9.
Easy. Easy.
Further orders.
Roger.
1431.
I got you covered, sir.
Going there.
Sorry, 1918.
Order called off.
10-4.
14 County 97.
All right. It's all over but the shouting.
Returning to base.
All right. Let's look at the fallout. Good money. I can put out at least one more unit. I spent a good bit of our money. Look, this upkeep and maintenance is starting to take its toll. For sure. All right, promoted. We got Laura Schroeder. Got injured. We'll get her fixed up. See if we can find her quick. I don't even see no. Oh, here we go. Oh, on the boat. Look at it. I got all these people back from the plague. Let's give you Ulrike Schwartz. And let's give her... We'll give her a shotgun. She's a good shot. 92% accuracy. Alright. Getting a lot of rain. Next time. That's not good. That's going to take out some of our units. Here we go. Oh, it's a blizzard. It's not even... It's snow. We warn of an impending harsh weather conditions in the coming days. Please be prepared for them. Driving conditions for most vehicles will be difficult, and the use of bikes, motorcycles, or helicopters may become impossible. Well, that stinks. But what are you going to do? That's it. Duty 31 in the books. 5 duties left. We're going to try and knock them out, man. Kind of excited. I wonder if this game has any last tricks up its sleeves for me. And the last handful of missions. There is maybe a slight knock that the gameplay is a little repetitive, but the calls and the stories that were told kind of negate that some. I mean, it's always while you're playing, it's always hectic. So you don't get bored. It's not like, even though you're doing the same thing over and over and over, it's still engaging. And it doesn't take too long. And then you got the off phase, right? You got the 2 phases. So, yeah, a little bit repetitive, but I don't really feel it. I'm starting to feel the length of the campaign. I didn't realize it was quite this long, but we're almost near the end. And we'll continue soon. Thanks for watching. See you next time. 112 Operator.